Uh-oh. Alrighty guys, so this is Dad's VH. It's pretty cool, man. Like, yeah, anyway. I'll let yous hear for yourselves. I better put the window down so you can actually hear it. But it sounds fucking wicked. Alrighty guys, we might spend the morning actually cleaning out my toolbox because we got shit everywhere. And yeah, I got VH indicators. They should be in my VK, but they're not because they make the car sit higher, so we don't like that. I got paint, pinstripes, oil pressure gauge. What's this one? Water temp gauge. That should be in the car, but it's not because I'm a lazy prick. What else do we have? Oh, yeah, rock covers for RBs. It's my mates. Got my 304, which in the coming months will actually be getting built. 355 stroker, painting the whole thing black, black the whole thing. What do you got, mate? What do you got?
A couple of Thai sweet chili and lime, a couple of beef sausages original.
How good? Alright, see you, mate. Cruise time ready. Let's get it. Look at this, boys. How you going, mate?
Oh, just pretty good, man.
You're on the YouTube.
Sausages are on. The boys are on. Cars are going to be on. I reckon it's going to be a pretty wicked night, eh?
Fuck yeah, baby. Let's get it. Fucking G it up. Geordie's on the waters tonight. Cooper's on the beers. Geordie's on the waters. Hato's always on the beers. What's going on, bruh? It's tough. There you go. Get him open, guys. Get him open. Yeah.
go out and play. Yo, I was up in my room, I let the stereo blaze on Saturdays when kids go out and play. I was up in my room, I let the stereo play. It's all